We're doing more front flips.
We can't even see us when we.
All right, go. Put it at the chair. I want to show us jump. Okay, go.
Okay.
Now it's me jumping. Do the freeze. I'll try to do freeze too.
Turbo freeze.
Here goes the epic fail.
Freeze.
I'm gonna laugh once you headstand. Like this. Whoa! That was a really good freeze.
Yeah.
I was actually like on my face.
That's what he did by stop it.
We're doing freezes.
Whoa! Evan! Think of the turbo one. Bowser! Pause!
Check this out.
Whoa!
I was gonna try to spin for it. Josh, check this out.
I'll watch
Watch
it.
this, ready?
Yeah.
No, move. Watch her in real life. Go over here. Over there. Whoa, do you see that?
Evan.
Oh. Did you see that? I did a 360. I think I did.
Yeah.
And it felt like I did.
You're like, boom.
Alright, watch this, ready?
Yeah.
No, I didn't that time.
That was the dive!
Whoa! Do that.
Woo!
Go like this. Check this out. Woo! That was a 180. Josh, should I do a 180? Where you end up backwards. Like this. Woohoo! Like that.
Evan!
Do this. How about 360? Ready for this? Move. Woo! I did it. At least I felt like I did. Move it. Oh! My butt hit the edge. watch this. Remember this, Josh?
Yeah.
The headbutt.
Yeah.
Do the headbutt. Go like this.
I think this did no hands.
I can do no hands. Oh, I touched it. Ready for this? Whoa! Whee! Here, I'm gonna do the Claire.
He's doing the Claire. Redo Claire. Redo Claire. Redo the Claire.
Here's how Claire jumps down. Then she goes. Okay, that's good.
Yeah,
Right?
that's the Claire.
Here, right there. Get the whole couch.
Let me jump.
Here, I want to try that.
Take it. Can't see. We can see through it. Right?
Oh, I fell out of it. Here, hold on. I want to do one holding the dog. Woohoo! I held up.
People, this is the turbo.
Ow. Here's a super turbo dog one. Whoa!
Now going with no seeing.
I jumped the dog.
Here we go.
Lift the dog across the room. How about this? Ready for this?
Hello, computer.
Jump, throw the dog down.
I can't even see.
Whoa, that was weird. Ow! My foot hit the table.
He just stomped on my butt.
Here goes one hand.
Move the dog out of the way.
What? It's soft and plush.
Look
Check this out. I can do the freeze too.
Well, people, watch this.
Check this out.
Hey, you gotta do it.
Ow! Let's grab your mouth.
No, wait.
I felt spit. Hey guys, point the camera. Show me. There we go. Check it out. Check it out, y'all.
I think he's okay.